Happy day everyone. This is Sahitya of second year BSc ITB mounting forward a talk concerning Internet of Things. It is still a magic even if you know how it is done. With this magical word, I would like to thank the institution for providing me a Google platform to convey my thoughts on Internet of Things. IoT is an advanced automation and analysis system which exploits networking, sensing, big data, and artificial intelligence technology to deliver complete system for a product or service. This system allows greater transparency, control, and performance when applied to any industry or system. IoT systems have application across industries through their unique flexibility and ability to suit in any environment. They enhances data collection, automation, operation, and much more through smart devices and powerful enabling technology. IoT is a name for the aggregate collection of network-enabled device. IoT includes devices such as smart application like refrigerator, home security system, computer peripherals like webcams and printers, wearable technologies such as Apple Watches and smart speaker devices like Amazon Echo and Google. IoT system allows users to achieve deeper automation analysis and integration within a system. They improve the reach of the of these areas and their accuracy. IoT utilizes existing and emerging technology for sensing, networking, and robotics. IoT exploits recent achievement in software, falling hardware prices, and modern at- attitudes towards technology. It,
Sahitya,
ma'am,
sorry for the interruption, Ra. So, if you have any presentation, just share your presentation, Ra.
ma'am, presentation is not visible.
Okay, da. Continue.
Ma'am, presentation is not visible, ma'am.
Yeah, it's not visible, Ra. So that's why I'm asking you to share. So now only you're sharing the
Okay.
screen. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. IoT exploits recent achievement in software, falling hardware prices, and modern attitudes towards technology. Its new and advancement element brings major changes in delivery of product, goods, and services, and the social, economic, and political impact of those changes. The most important feature of in IoT includes artificial intelligence, connectivity, sensor, active engagement, and small device uses. AI. The essential IoT essentially makes virtually anything smart means to enhance every aspect of life with the power of data collection, artificial intelligence, algorithm, and network. This can mean something as simple as enhancing your refrigerator and cabinet to detect when milk and your favorite caramel run low, and to to the to that place on order with you with your preferred grocery. New New enabling technologies of networking and specifically IoT network means network are no longer exclusively tied to major providers. Network can exist on much smaller and cheaper scale while still being practical. IoT creates this small network between its system devices. IoT loses its distinction without sensors. They act as defining instrument which transfers IoT from a standard passive network of devices into an active system capable of real-world integration. Much of today's interaction with connected technology happen through passive engagement. IoT introduces a new paradigm for active content and content, product, or service engagement. Devices, as predicted, have become smaller, cheaper, and more powerful over time. IoT exploits proper built small devices to deliver its precision, scalability, and reliability. IoT pretiles convenient on span product every area of lifestyle and business. Cu- Current analysis suffers from building spot and significant flaws in accuracy, as noted, encouragement remains passive. IoT completely transfers their achievement richer and more effective engagement with audience. The same technology and data which improves the customer experience also improves devices use and aid in more potent improvement to technology. IoT unlocks a world of critical functionality and field data. IoT makes areas of improvement clear. Current analysis gives us superficial insight, but IoT provides real world information leading to more effective management of resource. Modern data collection suffers from the limitation and it designs for past action uses. IoT breaks it out of those spaces and places it exactly where human reality want to go to analyze a world. It allow accurate picture of everything. The Internet of Things is not a concept, it is a network. The true technology The true technology endowed the network of all network. With this quote, I would like to end the session and thank all the faculty members and my dear friends for your patience and on hatching your ears on the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Sahitya, for the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody, for joining.